Imagine stepping into your room and feeling that instant warmth and luxury under your feet. That's right, we are talking about wooden flooring. And let me tell you, it's absolutely exploding in popularity here in Kenya. You might be thinking, wooden floors, really? Well, stick around because I'm just about to show you why it is becoming the go-to choice for many homeowners and why it might just be perfect for you too. From modern apartments to cozy family homes, wooden flooring is making a serious statement. But what is driving this trend? First off, let's talk about warmth. Unlike those cold tiles, wooden floors add a natural, inviting feel to your space. It's not just about looks though, it's about comfort. And beyond that, wooden floors are incredibly durable, easy to keep clean, and can significantly boost your home's value. So you see, it is a win-win. Now, I know what most of you are thinking. Isn't wooden flooring super expensive? And honestly, that is a common myth. You've got solid hardwood, engineered wood, and even budget-friendly laminates. So you see, you have something for every price range. And here is the best part. At Veewave Enterprises, we are all about connecting you with trusted suppliers. That means you get top quality materials at the best possible prices. Whether you are building a new home or renovating, we have got you covered. No more stressing about sourcing materials or dealing with unreliable contractors because we handle it. We are talking trusted suppliers, expert installation, and keeping your project on time and on budget. We treat your project like it is our own. And speaking of budget, before you start any project, you need a solid plan. That's why we created the Mastering Construction Budgeting ebook. It's packed with tips to help you avoid overspending. Grab your copy on our website. So, what do you think? Would you consider wooden flooring for your home? Let me know in the comments below. And if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more construction tips, and reach out to Veewave Enterprises. We are here to help you build smart, within budget, and stress-free. Let's make your dream home a reality.